today and back with another video. Yes, you can see I had some.
You're one of six.
Excuse the noise in the background. My grandpa and my sister is doing their homework. I already did my homework. I just wanted to make a video and play with this slime.
Come on, finish. Yeah, because you trying to eat them all up.
No.
Probably left. Probably ain't none left.
In my early 20s, I was denied insurance because of my pre-existing
Give me a
condition.
Snickers.
With epilepsy, I was eating
Leah.
at the time.
Huh?
Give me a Snickers.
Insurance was terrifying, and Jeff Johnson wants to break.
Come on, you trying to eat them all up.
Jeff Johnson's healthcare plan could allow
Here's the
Leah!
coverage for pre-existing conditions.
so you can see the color.
Care they need.
Jeff Johnson
No,
has sent
I'm
a
not gonna
message
be.
that people who are sick don't really matter.
Give me a
Jeff Johnson is
Snickers.
not the kind of governor that Minnesota needs.
Give me a Snickers.
The 2018 Nissan Rogue
Go give me a Snickers.
tech than RAV4, like available ProPilot Assist and class exclusive intelligent around view monitor, plus blind spot warning and rear cross
You
traffic
can
alert
literally
are
see my
standard.
face go away.
100 less than RAV4. That's big savings for you. Save up to 4280 on the 2018 Rogue.
Guys, if you watched Night School and if you haven't, you should go see it because I love that movie. I'm gonna go see because I saw the trailer and I watched half of it. Well, not half of it. I watched the trailer.
Welcome back to your local news.